Hey guys, welcome to Be Always Fortune. In this video we are going to see a simple way to solve the problem of how to fix the issue with Synchronize R in Google Chrome. Now you guys can see my account is signed in. And now I'm going to close the Chrome and again to reopen the Chrome. Here you guys can see the account was signed out. To solve this issue we wanna to click this three-dot button, and then to settings, then scroll down till you see the cookies and site data, click on that. And now this is turn on, so you wanna to turn off to solve this issue. Just go to your home page and sign in with your Google account. And here you guys can see here it's working, and how you can solve this problem so easily. I think this may helpful to many people. This is for today's video. Like if you liked, subscribe if you loved. See you soon with another one. Have a nice day.